Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to put out of stock in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to have that, let's first view what our store looks right here. So for this store, I have in here some product. So for example, I have this product right here for a t-shirt. And as you can see, I can't actually see the actual number of remaining tins. But if I want to actually order around 301, and if I want to add this to cart, it will show me with error because I can add more t-shirt because it's out of stock. Now, in order to do that, head over to our store. Now, from there, click on the product. And under this products right here, you should be able to see it's right here. So on my inventory, I have 100 and 300 for these three variants. So for example, your hat, you want to edit your hat right here. So it will open. So scroll down. And then in here, you can see this variant, and I have this right here. My inventory is tracked. And for example, I want to put in here 0 only. And once I have done that, click on save. And once I have saved my progress, if I try to head back, as you can see, it will load and I have no stock or out of stock for this specific product. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so really like, below, or subscribe because this helps reach more people. See you soon.